Hi folks, we received an update from Hodernode this morning, and it seems they have heard our feedback on the communication intervals and they aim to provide more frequent short updates, like what you guys always see in the mail toilet. In their blog post they mentioned, we are working closely with our lawyers and have weighed various available options for our next steps. We are aiming to avoid a forced liquidations of our assets as it is a suboptimal solution that will require us to sell our users cryptocurrencies such as BTC, ETH, and WBTC at these current depressed prices. But it doesn't mean that they will sell your Bitcoin and Ethereum and give you back the cash now. The forced liquidation is only what they aim to avoid, but it is not something they can control. So bear in mind that it is still possible that Hodernode may still be forced to liquidate. And when it happens, all the assets like their company laptops, refrigerator, and investment including our Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins under their custody will all be converted into cash. The cash will first be paid to the lawyers and liquidators, then their staff salaries, allowance, CPF contribution, etc. And lastly us.
But provided there's any balance, yeah.
So in the end, only comes down to one question. How much total assets are there in their balance sheet? I would say
only God knows.
Their blog post continues saying that, instead, we believe that undergoing judicial management will provide the best chance of recovery. Therefore, as of 13 August 2022, Hodernode Private Limited filed an application with the Singapore High Court to be placed under judicial management. This judicial management means that the court will assign an independent judicial manager to help Hodernode to try to recover their business or to realize its asset in a more advantageous way. And there's one very interesting effect of this judicial management. That is, when Hodernode applied for it on 13 August 2022, they are already on a temporary pause against all legal claims and proceedings against them. Regarding this, Hodernode said that
this pause will provide us with the breathing space to focus our efforts on the recovery plan to rehabilitate the company.
But in investors' eyes, it looked like this to us.
You can't sue me now, you idiot.
So what's your thought about this move? Let us know in the comment. I've also come up with the following points to sum up the whole updates and their frequently asked questions. Number 1. Hodernode said,
not all your assets are gone.
But withdrawals are still not allowed and they can't even provide a date of when withdrawals are likely to be enabled. Number 2. Hodernode have applied for judicial management in hope to restructure their business. The interim judicial manager Hodernode applied for is Mr. Tam Chi Chong of Kairos Corporate Advisory Private Limited. Whether approved or not, it will take a few months to know. Number 3. Although Hodernode doesn't want to be forced into liquidation, there are still chances that it will be liquidated and we might be paid if there is any balance after paying the lawyers, liquidators, and their employees. Number 4. They mentioned that they will be exploring available solutions or allowing users to tap into emergency exit liquidity, but still subject to discussions and approvals. Maybe a very slim chance to get back our money. So that's all for the update on 16 August. The next update remains on 19 August. Let's have our finger crossed and hope for the solid update 3 days later.